Hi, hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to see a practice question for a TET exam. Okay, I'm going to ask the question only English. If you know the answer, you can give the answer in the comment box. Otherwise, no problem. I will say the answer. Okay. Yeah. Now we are going to see some question. I think these are very easy question or basic questions. Okay. Anyway, first question. Um, yeah, be ready. The word psychology comes from A. Latin, B. Spanish, C. Greek, D. Italian. Italian language or Italian. So, the word psychology comes from option A. Latin, B. Spanish, C. Greek, D. Italian. Yeah, right answer. Very good. Italian. Then, sorry. Wait. Answer Italy. Oh my God. Sorry, dear. The answer is Greek word. Okay. Psychology comes from Greek word. Italian. That's why Italian means the person lives in Italy, called as Italian. So, yeah. Answer is Greek. Answer C. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Psychology is defined as the scientific study of. Once again, I repeat it. Psychology is defined as the scientific study of dash. Option A, people and things. B, emotions and beliefs. C, perception and religion. D, option D, mind and behavior. Okay, once again, I repeat the question with the option. First, psychology is defined as the scientific study of dash. Option A, people and things. Option B, emotion and beliefs. Option C, perception and religion. Option D, mind and behavior. Yes, wait. We'll see the answer. Yes, right answer. D, mind and behavior. Okay. Yeah, very good. Next question. The scientific approach is more useful at answering questions about dash than questions about dash. Okay. I repeat the question. The scientific approach is more useful at answering questions about dash than questions about dash. Option A, facts, facts and values. That dash, two dash given, no? So first dash facts, the second dash values. B, ideas, emotions. C, values, facts. D, emotions, facts. Okay. Once again, I repeat the question. The scientific approach is more useful at answering questions about the dash than question about dash. Option A, facts, comma, values. Option B, ideas, comma, emotions. Option C, values, comma, facts. Option D, emotions, comma, facts. Okay, we will see the answer. Answer is A, facts and values. Now I fill the question with answer. Okay, the scientific approach is more useful at answering questions about facts than questions about values. Okay, yes. Next question. Different people react differently to the same situation. This is referred to as DAS. Different people react differently to the same situation. This is referred to as DAS. Option A, multiple determinants. B, nativism. C, the Simpson effect. D, individual differences. Okay, yeah. Once again, I repeat the question with option. Different people react differently to the same situation. This is referred to as option A, multiple determinants, option B, nativism, option C, the Simpson effect, option D, individual difference. Yes, answer, right answer, D, individual differences. Very good. Then next question. The behaviorist rejected introspection because the behaviorist rejected introspection method. Okay, introspection because that's option A. It was too slow. Option B. It invaded people's privacy. Option C. It yielded too much data. Option D. It was too subjective. Okay. Yeah. Once again, I repeat the question with option. The the behaviorist rejected introspection because option A, it was too slow. Option B, it invaded people's privacy. Option C, it yielded too much data. Option D, it was too subjective. Okay. Okay. We will see the answer. It was too subjective. Okay, introspection, it's focused ourselves, no, individual is themselves, that's why it was too subjective. Now I will repeat the question with answer. The behaviorist rejected introspection because it was too subjective. Okay, yeah, we will see next question. Wait, we will see next question, 1 minute. Yeah, yeah. Who among the following does not belong to Gestalt psychology? Gestalt psychology, Gestalt psychology, like that. Okay, spelling Gestalt, Gestalt psychology. Who among the following, the who among the following does not belong to Gestalt psychology? Option A, Kutluvin. Option B, Paulo. Option C, Wolfgang Kohler. Option D, all of this. Okay. Once again, I repeat the question with option. Who among the following does not belong to Gestalt psychology? Option A, Kutluvin. Option B, Paulo. Option C, Wolfgang Kohler. Option D, all of this. Okay, we will see the answer. Yes, right answer. You're right, Paulo. Okay, correct answer, Paulo. Very good. Then, next question. The superego is the direct antithesis of id. The statement is dash. Question, I repeat the question again. The superego is the direct antithesis of id. This statement is dash. Option A, true. Option B, false. Option C, partially true. Option D, partially false. Which is the correct answer? Yeah, we can see the answer. Okay. Yes. Yes, right answer, true. Option A is the right answer. Okay. We will see question with answer. The superego is the direct antithesis of it. This statement is true. Okay. Yes. Next question. Concrete operational stage of human cognitive development occurs age range from dash. Concrete operational stage of human cognitive development occurs age range from dash. Option A, about 2 to 7 years. B, from birth to 2 years. C, about 7 to 11 years. D, 12 to 15 years. Once again, I repeat the question with the option. Concrete operational stage of human cognitive development occurs age range from dash. About option A, about 2 to 7. Option B, from birth to 2 years. Option C, 7 to 11 years. Option D, about 12 to 15 years. Oh, yeah. Right answer, about 7 to 11 years. Correct answer. Okay. We will see next question. The term development includes a dash. The term development includes a dash. Option A, only structural changes. Option B, only functional changes. C, both structural and functional change. D, none of this. Okay. Yeah, the term, again, once again, I repeat it. The term development includes dash. Option A, only structural changes. Option B, only functional changes. Option C, both structural and functional change. Option D, none of this. We will see the answer. Okay. Okay. Answer C, both structural. Yeah, very good. Yeah, answer C is the correct answer. Uh, both structural and functional changes. I will say the question with the answer. Okay. The term development includes both structural and functional changes. Next question, we can see the next question. Psychology is a dash. Psychology is a dash. Option A natural science. Option B, social science. Option C, a biological science. Option D, a physical science. Which is the answer? Yeah. Once again, I repeat the question. Psychology is a dash. A, natural science. B, social science. C, a biological science. D, physical science. Which is the correct answer? Yeah, correct answer is B, social science. Because psychology is arts and science. Okay. Yeah, social science is right. Okay, answer is psychology is a social science. Now, next question. Psychology as a science of mind defined by which school of psychology? Psych- I will repeat it. Psychology as a science of mind defined by which school of psychology? Option A, psychoanalysis. Option B, behaviorist. Option C, functionalist. Option D, ancient Greek philosophers. Yes. Okay. Answer is D. D is the correct answer. Okay. Yeah, very good. Ancient Greek philosophers. Okay, once again, I repeat the question with answer. Psychology as a science of mind defined by which school of psychology? An ancient Greek philosopher. Next question. Jean Piaget proposed dash. Option A, moral development, cognitive development, personality theory, emotional development. I know you know the answer is very easy, right? Jean Piaget proposed, answer is B. Correct answer, cognitive development. Okay. Yes, right answer. Then next question. Who is the author of book Principles of Psychology? Who is the author of book Principles of Psychology? Option A, Wilhelm Wundt. Option B, Charles Darwin. Option C, Sigmund Freud. Option D, Williams James. Okay, yeah. Once again, I repeat the question with the option. Who is the author of the book Principle of Psychology? The book name Principles of Psychology. Okay. Who is the author of book Principles of Psychology? Option A, Wilhelm Wundt. B, Charles Darwin. C, Sigmund Freud. D, William James. Yes, right answer is William James. Then next question. Who is the father of experimental psychology? Option A, Wilhelm Wundt. B, Sigmund Freud. C, Jung. D, Titchener. Okay? Yeah. Say the answer. Who is the father of experimental psychology? Okay. Option A, Wilhelm Wundt. B, Sigmund Freud. C, Jung. D, Titchener. Okay. Right answer is A. Option A, Wilhelm Wundt. Actually, Wundt is started first lab, psychological lab. So, the father of experimental psychology is Wilhelm Wundt. Option A. Okay. Then, next question. Psychology can literally define as the dash. Psychology can be literally defined as the dash. Option A, science of mind. Option B, science of behavior. Option C, science of soul. Option D, science of consciousness. Yeah, right answer. C, science of soul. Very good answer. So I will read the question with answer. Psychology can be literally defined as science of so, So sorry, science of soul. Yeah, right. Yeah, next question. J.B. Watson, the founder and the father of behavioristic school of psychology, defined psychology as the science of dash. Watson, the founder and the father of behaviorist school of psychology, defined psychology as the science of option A, soul, option B, consciousness, option C, mind, option D, behavior. Yes, say the answer, please. Yeah, answer is behavior. Okay, right answer. Option D, behavior. Next question. Who is the author of book? Yeah, already we asked that question, right? But anyway, I will just read the question with the answer. Who is the author of book Principle of Psychology? Yeah, William James. Okay. And next question. 1 minute, 1 minute. Wait, wait. Yeah. Next question. SR concept was first established by SR. SR concept was first established by A. Watson, B. Wilhelm Wundt, C. William James, D. Paulo. Option? Yes. Answer is SR. Okay, actually, in our syllabus, they didn't give the theory about Watson, I think. But anyway, the option and the right answer is option A, Watson. Okay, so Watson is started first SR relationship. Stimulus and response is first done by Watson. Okay, so first established by Watson. Question. I will repeat the question. SR concept was first established by answer J.B. Watson. Okay. The next question. Who defined who defined psychology as the science of immediate experience with consciousness being the main subject matter? Okay, who defined psychology as the science of immediate experience with the consciousness being the main subject matter? Option A, Titchener. Option B, William James. Option C, Sigmund Freud. Option D, Wilhelm Wundt. Answer is answer is correct answer is A and D. I don't know what is it. Okay, Titchener and also Wilhelm Wundt also. So in this question, no, correct answer A and D both. Wilhelm Wundt also EP Titchener also both define that psychology as the science of immediate experience with the consciousness being the main subject matter. Okay, answer is E.B. Titchener and also Wilhelm Wundt. Sometime no to answer. So if you take any answer, they will give mark. Don't worry. Okay, okay. Who is the founder and principal proponent of psychoanalysis? Okay. Who is the founder and principal proponent of psychoanalysis? Option A, Sigmund Freud. Option B, Titchener. Option C, Jung. Option D, Alfred Adler. Alfred Adler. Okay, the right answer is Sigmund Freud. Okay, yeah, Sigmund Freud. Okay, who is the founder and principal, the prime proponent of psychoanalysis is Sigmund Freud. Sigmund Freud only proponed the or developed the psychoanalysis theory. Okay, yeah. Next question: who is the psychologist who constructed the first intelligent test? Okay, who is the psychologist who constructed the first intelligent test? A. William James. B. Watson. C. William McDougall. D. Albert Binet. Albert Binet. Which is the correct answer? Yes, right answer is Albert Binet. Very good. Answer is D. Okay, next question. The occurrence of O in SO or concept is responsible in regulating the behavior of the organism and making psychological activity. O- Okay, the occurrence of O in SO or concept responsible in regulating the behavior of the organism and making psychological activity. Option A complex, option B dynamic. I think I don't know this theory included for you or not. Okay, we can. Okay, anyway, no problem. It's maybe it's not included in your syllabus. Anyway, we see the question with the answer. Okay, don't worry. I will read the question. The occurrence of O in SO or concept is responsible in regulating the behavior of the organism and making psychological activity. Option A complex, option B dynamic, option C fixed, option D bustle. The correct answer is B dynamic. Okay, the correct answer is dynamic. Okay, then next question. Anything which evoke a response in the organism is called. Evoke means stimulating. Okay, anything which evokes or stimulate a response in the organism is called. Option A stimulus, option B thing, option C situation, option D incidents. Answer? Yeah, answer. Correct answer stimulus. Okay, the correct answer is stimulus. The next question. The method of field observation is always considered as the method of field observation is always considered as subjective. Option A subjective, option B complex, option C neutral, option D objective. Which one is the correct answer? Yeah, right answer is D, objective. Yeah, very good. The method of field observation is always considered as answer is objective. Yeah, to study abnormal psychology means to study mainly the nature of option A, normality of mind, B, unconscious level of mind, C, subconscious level of mind, uh, D, abnormality of mind. To study to study abnormal psychology means to study mainly the nature of option A normality of mind, B unconscious level of mind, C subconscious level of mind, D abnormality of mind. Correct answer is yes. Correct answer is B abnormal, no unconscious level of mind. Actually, unconscious level of mind to study abnormal psychology. To study mainly the nature of answer they given answer B. Okay, yeah, right answer is B, not C. C is subconscious level of mind. Okay, unconscious level of mind. We have to discuss tomorrow this question because the given answer is B, unconscious level of mind. Okay, abnormal psychology means to study mainly the nature of unconscious level of mind. Okay, subconscious is different. So, okay, tomorrow we will discuss elaborately this question because this is make us a little confusion, right? So, okay, okay. Next question. Clinical psychology deals with the practical aspect of clinical psychology deals with the practical aspect of abnormal psychology, educational psychology, child psychology, experimental psychology. Okay. Actually, these are coming under a types of psychology. Okay. So, once again, I read that question. Clinical psychology deals with the practical aspect of option A, abnormal psychology, B, educational psychology, C, child psychology, D, experimental psychology. The correct answer is A, abnormal psychology. Okay. Answer is abnormal psychology. Actually, clinical psychology focusing abnormal psychology. Okay, very good. The next question. Sigmund Freud is regarded as the father of psychology in Sigmund Freud is regarded as the father of psychology in DAS. Option A, Gestalt School. Option B, Behavioristic School. Option C, Functionalistic School. Option D, Psychoanalytic School. I couldn't understand. Okay. Okay. Shall I? Yeah, one second. Once again I read the question. Sigmund Freud is regarded as the father of psychology in DAS. Yes, right answer. D. Psychoanalytic school. Okay, psychoanalytic school. Right answer. Sigmund Freud only related to psychoanalytical. Okay, then next question. Ebbinghaus had done the pioneering experiment on Ebbinghaus. Okay, Ebbinghaus had done the pioneering experiment on option A perception, option B emotion, option C memory, option D thinking. Okay, once again I read the question. Ebbinghaus had done the pioneering experiment on A. Perception, B. Emotion, C. Memory, D. Thinking. Yes, right answer is memory. Very good, correct answer. Then next question. Who is the founder of individual psychology? Who is the founder of individual psychology? Option A. David Hull, B. Thorndike, C. Albert Binet, D. Albert Adler. Okay. Once again, I read the question. Who is the founder of individual psychology? Option A. David Hull. Option D. Thorndike. Option C. Albert Binet. Albert Adler. D. No. Albert Adler. Okay. The answer is the correct answer is yeah D. Okay. Albert Adler. Very good. Albert Adler. Answer is D. Who is the founder of individual psychology? Individual psychology is focused by Albert Adler. Okay. Yeah. Next question. Wolfgang Kohler. Shortly we can call Kohler. No. The full name Wolfgang Kohler was associated with which school of psychology? Once again, read the question. Wolfgang Kohler was associated with which school of psychology? Option A, social psychology. Option B, historical psychology. Option C, industrial psychology. Option D, educational psychology. Yeah, answer is yes. Very good answer. Answer B is correct answer. Gestalt psychology. Okay. Kohler is insight learning theory. Insight learning theory is otherwise called Gestalt psychology. Okay. Yeah. Very good answer. Yeah. Now next question. In the law of effect was coined by the law of effect was coined by option A Skinner, option B Paulo, option C Kohler, option D Thorndike. Okay. The law of effect was coined by option A Skinner, option B Pavlo, option C Kohler, option D Thorndike. Yes, right answer is D Thorndike. Okay. Answer right answer is D Thorndike. Yes, very good. We can go. Okay, yeah, we can move next question. Who established the first experimental psychological laboratory in a different way? Already we have seen the question earlier, but in the different way, the question asking, right? Yeah. Who established the first experimental psychological laboratory? Option A, Sigmund Freud. Option B, Skinner. Option C, Ivan Pavlo. Okay, Eve Pavlo, no, the full name is Ivan Pavlo. D, Wilhelm Wundt. Answer is answer is D. Yes, Wilhelm Wundt. We already the father of experimental psychology. No, Wilhelm Wundt, right? So what reason he started one lab? That's why he called as a father of experimental psychology. That is Wilhelm Wundt. Then next question: who is the valuable contributor in insight learning? Who is the valuable contributor who is the valuable contributor in the insightful learning? Option A, Thorndike. Option B, Skinner. Option C, Evan Pavlo. Option D, Kohler. Right answer is D is right answer. Very good. Kohler. Okay, it's very easy because if you land that theory, you may easily find out that answer. Okay, so he's the valuable contributor in insightful learning. The correct answer is Kohler. Okay, What's that? The full name is different, right? Hmm. Okay, I think it's the time's 30 minutes over. Shall I wind up or shall I continue? Just to give the comment, please. Because we're fixing 30 minutes only. Okay, 3 to 3:30. Okay, let the last questions. Okay, yeah. Wilhelm Wundt established the first laboratory experiment psychology at Will, okay, yeah. Last questions. Okay, yeah. Wilhelm Wundt. Wundt is the father of psychological lab, right? Okay, experimental psychology. Yeah, he started one experimental psychology. No, in which place? A. Greenwich. B. Zurich. C. Leipzig. D. Munich. Very different word, okay? Yeah, the right answer is directly I will say Leipzig. Leipzig means Leipzig. Leipzig. Okay. Thank you, dear. Okay, we will see the practice question tomorrow also. Up to your exam, we will see only practice question only. After that, I will start TRB assistant professor related topic. Okay, because you have only few days more, no? So don't want to focus any theory. We can see the question day tomorrow and the day after tomorrow also. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.